A warm welcome. In today's digital age, we, Saints of Academy, do not allow hurdles to disturb our Josephites and pace of work. In fact, we believe that mighty problems write mightier dreams, and empower take it away. So, keeping it with the times and CP transformation, we feel immense pleasure to present our school anthem. Now, I invite Sakshi of class 11th B to address our teachers on this beautiful occasion.
A very pleasing morning to everyone present in our virtual Teachers' Day celebration. Today, I am here to welcome you for our virtual Teachers' Day, and I am glad to have you all viewing us online. This is for the first time we are introducing this digital platform due to this COVID pandemic. The world created by creatures is full of wonders. The creatures were not born creative, they were taught to be creative. Their teachers taught them to be innovative and creative. And that is what we see in every field today. From cooking in the kitchen to the different multi-storied buildings around us are all the blessings of our teachers. The story actually started from the most different day of our life. The day we were being pushed by our parents to the person we never knew, never talked or never listened to. They were the ones who taught us the values of life. What I am today is all the blessings of my teachers. They hold the fate, they hold our destiny. Not just the past or the future, but the present also is actually modified by our teachers. The only people working selflessly in this pandemic condition are our teachers. Isn't it beautiful to see people working selflessly, tirelessly with all their hearts for us without having any blood relations? She is not my mother, she is not my sister, he is not my brother, he is not my father. They are not my relatives, but they are far more precious than them. The lessons I could not learn in my classroom were actually taught by my teachers. They taught me how to forgive someone. I learned this from them when they actually forgot my mistakes. Not a house, not a society, not a nation, but the whole world is created by the teachers. The foundation of the whole world is laid down by the teachers. At the end, I just want to say that the teachers are the one who taught us everything of life, who taught us the ethics of life, and they are the one who gave us the values. They are the candles of our lives, the inspiration, the spark in us. And at the end, I just want to ask the teachers everywhere, from where do you get such a vintage heart? Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Now, our school's choir group is going to present a Teachers' Day song. all enjoyed the song. So, now I request our principal, Father Thomas Apanchera, CMI, to share his views with us on this Teachers' Day.
My dear friends, I wish you a most happy Teachers' Day because we are celebrating Teachers' Day today. The whole nation is recognizing your contribution towards your nation building for bringing up the children in the right way, in right direction. Once there was an old teacher. He used to go to enter into the class. The student used to get up and greet him. And one day, one of the teachers asked him, when the students greet you, why do you bow before them? And the teacher answered, say, I don't know what these children will become. I find a great person in them, maybe a scientist, maybe one of our presidents, prime ministers, cabinet ministers, very good administrator. I understand their potentialities inherent in them and I encourage them and I appreciate and I bow before them for becoming that one. There was another farmer. He had 6 puppies. He was playing with those puppies in his courtyard. A boy, maybe of 12 years, passed by. When he saw the puppies, he was very much attracted towards it. He went to him and asked the farmer, are you ready to sell it? Yes. What will be its cost? He asked. Must be $5 to $6. He looked into his pocket and found there were $3.50. And he said, I don't have $5. I got $3.50. Can I get one? The farmer said, yes, I can give you, provided you give me the money later. So he asked the farmer to call all the puppies together. He made some sound and the puppies came. And there was one puppy limping and coming. And the boy wanted that puppy. And the farmer said, I will not, you need not pay anything for that. But I will give you free. The boy said, no, I will pay you. Now I have only $3.50. I will pay you back later. I said this story and they had a great conversation between them and he lifted one of his hands and showed that he was a boy with a withered leg, disabled leg. Outwardly he was looking very smart. See, I wanted to say this because there are people, the students are given to us, different types of people, differently abled people, different abled students. We have to look after them. We have to be impartial towards everybody. The person who is very highly intelligent and also with low intelligence are to be cared for. That is our duty. We have to care for everybody impartially. And this Teachers' Day, let us pledge ourselves that we will deal with our students impartially and we will build up the nation and bring up the potentialities in them nicely with our own ability impartially. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
It is a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. I thank Almighty God for making this occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank our Reverend Father Principal, Father Thomas Apanchera, CMI, and Reverend Father Vice Principal, Father Sabu Thomas for their support. And finally, I thank our school supporting team for their guidance and great success. At last, I wish you all a happy Teachers' Day.